Nigerians, can you hear me? I'm so happy to see everybody here. This issue is a global issue. It's not just in Nigeria. Nigerians have demonstrated and they were killed. They deserve to be supported from the diaspora. We are all Nigerians. We all suffer with them. We saw what happened live on Instagram. People were being shot for demonstrating peacefully. We are in 2020. This has to stop now. Our children deserve a future in Nigeria. We cannot just sit here and be quiet. We ran away from Nigeria because we are looking for a brighter future abroad. But we all want to go back one day. And that country has to change. Our heart is still in Nigeria. We have to stand up together. Peacefully, this government has to change. Police brutality has to stop. We all deserve a peaceful country, Nigeria. Thank you.